Let's go out of the door. Hello guys, welcome back to the stream. New day, finally. So we're gonna see how it goes. I was just back testing here, nothing really. Doing some dummy back testings, see what price did, what it's gonna do, and yeah, I'm in replay as well. Welcome to the stream, guys. I hope this stream is gonna be good. I hope you will enjoy it, learn something new. I'll just post it in the Discord and we can start. So basically now the news are coming out, so we will see how it goes. Yeah, I hope the music is good. Let me just yeah, we'll start after the news, but I'm gonna just inform in the Discord and we'll see how this goes. Okay, I just have to change my mic a little bit like this so it's better. Okay, yeah, this one, nice. Okay, I just put the music a little bit quieter, and yeah, so we got Nasdaq right now. We're gonna see which one is better, Nasdaq or S&P. Hello Matus, how are you? Welcome. I mean, if you wanna talk today, if you wanna trade, just let me know. I can do this. Just switching, waiting for PPI to come out. There's PPI and unemployment claims coming in 1 minute and 50 seconds. So we will see. We will see how the news do, and then we can't. I'm not gonna trade before news, of course, because that will be kind of dumb. But we'll see. We will see. I don't recommend you guys trade as well. Like, we already got volatility. Yeah, sure, eat. Yeah, eat your meal, of course. So yeah, we got this consolidation here looking really nice on Nasdaq. I know PPI is gonna do a lot of movement, but I hope it doesn't. We got this London low here, which could be sell side liquidity, and then we will see. So this does look like a market maker sell model. We have original consolidation, we have rally, we have consolidation up here. We're now going for buy stops, and I'm expecting a move lower, a bearish PPI. So what do we have on the 1 minute? And nothing really. We don't have a fair value gap, I believe. We have an implied, yeah, we have fair value gap on the 3 minute time frame. You see this low being broken, market started to shift. After the shift, the price created this imbalance, which is now tapped in, and it's a fair value gap. So I'm gonna mark it like this. High and low of the fair value gap, and we got the news. Yeah, so basically this could be a judo swing. First we go down, then we go up, but I'm expecting bearish news. So news are, let me see, it says pending, wait. Yeah, they're bearish for dollars, so we're gonna go up on S&P and Nasdaq. But this could just easily be a judo swing. So PPI is bearish, 0.4, it's 0.1%, and we'll see. And unemployment claims are actually good, so This is, yeah, so it's basically not that volatile as yesterday, of course, because the CPI is just hitting different. Ragnar, hello, welcome to the stream. You are asking, do you think there's a divergence of the S&P and Nasdaq? What, S&P divergence? I mean, there's no any divergence. I can show you like this. If I compare the symbols, we have the S&P, we change it to bars, and then I'm just gonna change the colors real quick. 1 sec. Okay, so no, not this. I want candles. Okay, perfect. I just gotta change colors. So body, so bearish candle is black, this is green, borders, and then wick. Okay, so let's see. So no, I think there's no divergence because Ragnar, look, yeah, we may have divergence from here to here, but now we swapped the high, so this is news, right? We swapped the high, so there's no divergence right now at the moment, but I'm expecting lower prices. This is a Judas swing right here. I'm confident that if I sold here, we could see those lows take out, and then the sell side liquidity from the London consolidation. Start of the London, I mean, because we do have a small consolidation right here, which could be a really nice market maker sell model. We'll see. They're news, so we will see what happens. So PPI was bearish, so this is good for S&P and Nasdaq because they're against the dollar. But we'll see what happens in the future because I'm bearish, by the way. No, my bias is actually bullish. Ragnar is saying the high at 11:15 and 14:10 just before the news. Let me see. What do you mean 14:10? Oh, you have the yeah, GMT plus 2 times, so 14:50 and then 11:50 is 15. It's right here, I believe, because it's -6. So we got, yeah, this is an S&T divergence, but you know, we didn't do anything, we just went up, so this divergence is cancelled, Ragnar, because we went above this high on both instruments, and also above this one, you see, so I wouldn't take that in consideration. Emiliano, greetings to you as well, welcome to the stream. So I'll be back, guys, 1 second, let the price play out. Hello guys, I'm back. I am back. Mate, this dollar is actually looking sort of bullish. I don't know. Honestly, I'm expecting this to go lower. As I said, we could sold here, but this was really risky. I mean, not even that risky, you know. It was a market maker sell model, but I'm not ICT. I'm just gonna look for a entry when we form a nice setup. So we do have this fair value gap right here. This is a volume imbalance, and this is a fair value gap. Because we broke this low, which is a market structure shift, and we have a fair value gap. So we went below this, and now if we sold above here, we could take partials, but now maybe I don't know if we're gonna get to this imbalance. Not sure, but we'll see. We will see. So we cancel out. One sec. So we canceled out this OTE. Okay. And now we also have this OTE. Around this. Yeah, wait, he's gonna join now. One sec. Hello? Can you hear me?
What's up?
Hello. Yeah, well, welcome.
That's
Skeletor Emperor. Hello everyone. I am fine, doing good. Just seeing what the market is doing. Yeah, we
had a crazy day yesterday.
We got a really nice fair value gap on the 5-minute as well.
To the upside. To go short.
To go short, yes.
Yeah, I was also looking at that as well.
King Jfro, good morning. Good morning to you as well. Well, it's not actually morning here, but good morning to you.
I just want to see how this 5-minute closes.
Yeah, I want to see closure below this.
Because I wouldn't really take this, because this just looked like a sell side sweep. Potential rally
honestly,
up, and then
we have a consolidation here, but
yeah.
look, we could see I want to see a closure below the fair value gap on the 5-minute around the equilibrium.
Yeah, that'll be quite viable.
Because it also cancels the OTE, and then we can see a move down lower, because we got the London sell side liquidity.
Yeah, that I had marked out this morning as well. Yeah, it's weird that the dollar is actually not even bearish, even though PPI was bearish. When the unemployment claims were bullish, I guess so.
Yeah.
Which is kind of.
I mean,
1 hour I'm looking.
Unemployment claims were bullish, and they were after the PPI, so.
Yeah.
It's kind of we could expect to go up to the London high DXY. Miami EST lol. Yeah, good morning then to you. Good morning. Oh, you're looking kind of bearish as well. I mean, every pair is now got it. At least
dollar is going up.
At least USD JPY is just going up.
Yep. The only pair that, one of the only pairs that like I look at that actually does the opposite of the other ones. But yeah, overall, I don't know. News were it was alright. We swept more liquidity to the upside when we opened. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Finding out what liquidity was swept first when news happened. So now that we swept highs first, and then we went for lows, now I'm really thinking that we're gonna go lower today.
Yeah, I want to see this low broken that was formed, and then see what happens next.
Yeah, I'll see as well. Honestly, dollar is just doing its thing, kind of staying above, not going down. Not necessarily bad, good for us, because my anticipation with the dollar, I said it yesterday, we swept, so we actually closed below the relative equal lows on the daily and weekly. On the weekly we haven't closed, but on the daily we have. But what I'm expecting because we still have what Thursday, Friday. So let me just actually check if there's any news on Friday. There is only no, it's nothing really big. It's a prelim. And what I'm expecting is for the dollar to go up more, because now we swept a major liquidity point.
Yeah, I mean, but it's kind of obvious where we're gonna come back because we got a really nice and big liquidity void above, right?
Oh yeah, that liquidity void that we were
Yeah,
talking about.
we had liquidity void, so I'm kind of expecting price to go down now once we fill this, maybe react from this really nice juicy order block, but I mean this liquidity void was really expected for price to go above.
It's really good that the liquidity void is below inversion fair value gap as well on the daily, and that's more confirmation that it could reach. It might not, like it might wick above it, but if it wicks into the inversion fair value gap, then I mean as long as it closes below, you know, the liquidity void, that's what it matters. But I still think we're gonna be bullish for the day on the dollar and bearish for indices because of how much we're in such big premium right now.
I'm kind of expecting for price to go down, to be honest.
Yeah, we swept liquidity yesterday. For the Nasdaq, we have very strong liquidity. Very strong. The weekly and the daily as well, highs.
I want to see this low broken. If you see on my stream, the lower MSS.
The low one within London.
No, the low that was created right now when we broke the structure. If you check one live, you can see.
I see it now. Yeah, if we can break that 100%, that could be an entry as well.
Because I just don't want to see like a major high violated. Probably not the high of.
No, probably not 830 high. I'm still market up. It could be just a liquidity point as well. We still.
Yeah, maybe, but I don't think so. Maybe. Guys, do you want to see a silver bullet trade today? Because yesterday it played out really well. And maybe today we could do another one if you want.
Well, did you take any positions yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday I took two positions. One win and one loss. Basically, Nasdaq really screwed me up. If I placed my stop loss at right place, I would have won. And I won a silver bullet as well. I'm just gonna.
I think I did see something. Because I had to do something. I was a bit busy in the PM session, but I did say something. You were talking about the one trade and how you got stopped out because of there was a gap or above or something.
Yeah, because there was a gap. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna basically focus more on like silver bullet because I just found out something and maybe it could be like really good.
A silver bullet is really good.
Just liquidity. You have to find liquidity and the narrative, and then it's really easy to anticipate.
It's just the way ICT has like timed it. It's 9:30, very volatile. 30 minutes after 9:30, we start to reduce volatility, and we're aiming for. Well, I mean, pre 9:30, you'd want to see a liquidity sweep, and then potentially like a setup after.
I mean, you don't. 10. You don't really need a liquidity sweep for the silver bullet.
I'm saying pre silver bullet. So 9:30 when it opens. What I like, if I trade a silver bullet, I like to see a liquidity sweep, and then we can target the opposing liquidity with the silver bullet, you know?
Yeah. But silver bullet is actually really easy to enter because it's like a fair value gap, and that's it. And all you basically need is a narrative and basically not a bias, but the liquidity, the drawn liquidity. Where do you think the price will go to? But
yeah, that's true.
Silver bullet in Nasdaq and S&P was beautiful. Yes, it was, but it's like 2 days. It's basically nothing. So I'm gonna focus on silver bullet and try to be consistent with it. I also took the silver bullet trade on today on S&P, I believe, but it was on demo only because I woke up late and. Yeah, I can show executions. I bought here for the silver bullet, but I accidentally closed the position and I said just screw it, right? So how did I see that? I just went to the lower time frame. I basically bought right here when this big candle was up, right here, and also when we came into this consolidation, and then I place my stop loss 5 candles and then take profit 5 candles also. But I closed like early because I don't know, I misclicked something, but it happens.
Yeah, as long as you still won at the end.
I mean,
If it went your way.
I mean,
then
I
then it's
I
fine.
didn't take it on any real
Yeah,
account.
yeah, no, I
just
mean,
on demo.
just a demo still. I'm practicing.
Yeah, I'm gonna practice with a bullet like every day, all 3 sessions, try to become really good at it, because I find it really easy to execute, and if I only traded silver bullet like last few days that I traded, I would have won every single one but one. So I really like the silver
Silver
bullet.
bullet is good.
Just like
ICT did say
yeah,
that's all you need.
people are overcomplicated.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Like guys, for the drawn liquidity for my silver bullet in London session was basically this high, right? I mean, it's really easy. The previous session high, and we see expanding up. We are consolidation. I believe there was an SMT divergence somewhere, but yeah, there was an SMT divergence right here. And when I saw here price, I didn't enter yet. Price came back. When I saw expanding, I entered right here before the fair value gap. So basically my thoughts. And I'm probably just if we don't get a setup, I'll just enter with the silver bullet at 10 a.m. because if we do get a silver bullet trade, of course, if we don't get a silver bullet trade, then I won't enter.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for 9:30 open.
Yeah, true.
See what we do. Because obviously we're still in the news range. I like to wait 30 minutes after news to then trade.
Yeah.
It's 9 is where like pre-market kind of really starts kicking in volatility at 9.
Yeah, if we don't
What I've seen
setup, I'll just enter with
myself.
Yeah.
And then 9:30 opens, sweeps liquidity and stuff.
I mean,
And it does its thing, you know. Yeah, I'm just gonna but yeah. That's what I'm expecting for the day. Lower prices.
Me too. I'm expecting lower prices, especially this drawn liquidity.
London's is a really good target, but we might not get it with New York. We might get it with PM if we're gonna go down, obviously, with the New York Open AM.
I mean, yeah, but as you can see, we really rallied during the night, right? When the session closed, we rallied, and now we're gonna see a PM, probably a little bit consolidation, but essentially what we will see is probably take out the PM or lunch lows, and the AM or lunch lows are gonna be taken in the PM session.
Yeah, 100%.
Because ICT said that if we rally like overnight, then the AM session is usually gonna not be so clean. The AM session, right? For the that's for the 2022 model, and we're probably gonna have a consolidation after a sweep, and then the PM session will usually take the lows if we rallied up from the either lunch or the AM if we're bullish. But
if you look at Nasdaq right now, we're in this like 1 minute order block, and we just kind of respecting it nicely. We had like consolidation candles.
I'm still bullish, to be honest. Until we close below this fair value gap, I'm bullish on the daily. We have a fair value gap, the previous fair value gap on daily, right? Or we have a volume imbalance. Yeah,
there's a volume imbalance on mine.
We'll probably draw to that as well. But honestly, if my bias will be invalid if price fills this imbalance right here, or maybe if it closes below the the volume imbalance, or if it closes below this fair value gap.
I just want to see it. I just want to see lower prices.
Yeah, me too.
For today, because then it can narrow the gap a little bit. You know, maybe like a little retracement down a little bit, make the gap more smaller, more tighter. So then with the next week, we can come in, touch that, go up. You know, that's what I'm expecting.
Yeah, so basically on the 4-minute time frame, we perfectly fill the volume imbalance. If you see on the 4-minute, do you have the 4-minute chart?
No, I can look at your stream.
Yeah, well, right there.
It's
there's
fine.
a
I'll look at it.
you can look at it. It's a volume imbalance right here, and we perfectly filled it to the tick, like to the tick. Actually, it is to the tick. Can you see it?
Yup.
Yeah, but just watch.
Sorry.
Just watch a little bit, and you'll see. It's to the tick.
Oh yeah, I see it now. Yeah.
Yeah, but it filled it so perfectly, so I'm confident, and
And the
gonna
order
go
block
lower.
on 1 minute I was talking about.
Yeah,
As
the
well.
order block as well.
832.
Well, if you look,
832
yeah,
order block.
if you look at stream now, you will see that it's
Yeah, I
literally,
see. Yeah.
yeah, to the tick.
Really
So
nice.
beautiful, and you're also not closing above this order block that you mentioned, and
We kind of squeezed out a little bit, but if you look at it, if you count the wick,
yeah,
technically
that's
inside.
true. That's
But
true.
it's still we're respecting it because see how the candles were a bit like indecisive, like just wicks, rally up
Yeah,
and then down, and that's still for me very, very bearish because we spiked through it, but we closed moderately within the order block, and now we're looking prices down. Yeah, we completely invalidated these gaps. I mean, we're coming into this 1 minute gap on the very discount where we sweep the liquidity. Well,
yeah.
I don't really see a retracement up from here.
We still got a liquidity void, and the volume imbalance on the 1 minute. But if we look at there's a volume imbalance on the 5 minute as well. So we could go back up, fill it, and then come back down, or not. But really nice displacement right here, because we're also closing below previous Fair Value gaps. Really nice.
Yeah, that's what I like as well. We just closed below all of the gaps in this one price leg, this bullish price leg that we had from 8:37 a.m. New York towards 8:47. So in that 10-minute span, we had so many gaps and we just ignored every single one of them. So now we could potentially see inversion fair value gaps to the lower side into the premium upside. Maybe coming back into like the order block area as well. Again, that wouldn't be that bad as well.
I mean, I wouldn't like to see this gap violated, the breakaway gap right here,
Yeah, I mean,
because
price is decent because we're heading down.
Yeah,
now
no,
we're
this
going
is
up a
not.
little bit.
We still have to break this low.
Yeah, but I'm just saying it still looks decent.
We're basically in a consolidation from the news low from news high to the low, and we're just gotta see a price break structure or shifts to the downside, because I don't want to trade this consolidation right now.
Yeah, trading consolidations is very ugly. Remember that 1 p.m. session?
Oh yeah, I remember.
That was the worst PM session
Yeah.
I've ever traded, I think.
Me too. It's like this one just didn't go anywhere. Like almost stop loss, then back to profit, just up and down.
Yeah, so now we're coming back into the premium of the price run we had when sweeping the lows, the equal lows or whatever that we had. Not the London ones, but those ones. It was like it was like 5 a.m. lows that we had. Yeah, I mean, personally, I wouldn't even want to see those gaps get filled. I just want to see price action down. But if it does fill, whatever.
It probably will fill them, because there's a volume imbalances. There are volume imbalances above them, and we're still. I mean, we're kind of consolidating right now.
Yeah, we just hit the volume imbalance. I think it's equilibrium even as well. When we actually mark it out. Yeah, there's a volume imbalance, equilibrium in the premium, pretty much. Which is very nice.
But
potentially reversal down.
EU looks really good right now as well. Like it's not.
Check.
Yeah, I mean, but we still gotta break the low. Same in Nasdaq.
Yeah, we're just waiting for this market structure shift.
You're reacting from the inversion fair value gaps, like really nice.
Yeah, I wanna see like that inversion fair value gap, the highest one that we have. Maybe come into the order block again. You know, that wouldn't be too bad.
I'm just looking at the 5-minute time frame right now.
I'm just gonna stay on the 1 minute. Yeah, the 5 minute looks pretty bad.
because there's a liquidity sweep kinda, but it's the thing is that liquidity sweep, we really want to see a nice run below stops, but this was like quick. We came down up, so but we closed below in the 1 minute, so it could be counted as a sweep, but I don't think we're gonna go higher anytime soon, because
Yeah, I mean, we just traded past the order block, the one I'd marked out.
on DXY we made
DXY is
the
just-
high in the London session, but
Yeah, we did. It
we-
could be.
if I look back, we always took this high, so it's kinda I don't know. So we have a low.
Just wait and see what price does, you know?
Yeah, we just gotta wait for a open at 9:30 and the silver bullet then. That's my plan.
Yeah, I might take some trades after 9:30, so like 9:45, 9:50, if the setup occurs right, but
To be honest, we're still in a big consolidation right now, so
yeah, let me just look at some other indexes. Yeah, we're just
pretty much everywhere.
Consolidating everywhere. Yeah, Dow Jones swept low as well, going up now. I mean, honestly, like I wouldn't even be surprised if we even with 9:30 open, we just go even higher. I mean, I don't really see the point of that, but I mean,
Yeah.
I guess it could happen, you know, you never know. Yeah, but I like how the candles are closing within the order block. In the 1 minute, let me look at it. Yeah, it's just a big consolidation.
Nothing going on right now. The news really messed up the market,
Yep.
but
News
Wait.
always does that, you know.
let me see. Tomorrow,
Yeah, but only a little bit of news.
yeah, a little bit. It's
Silver bullet hour news, which is not my favorite.
yeah, because 10 a.m. news are really like not ideal, because if they're news at 8:30, you can you can trade the silver bullet normally, but if they're news at 10, you can't take trades before it, because like if you take trades after 9:30, it's gonna be open for like only half an hour, which is kind of not enough if you're taking a trades and there's no volume before the news. But if you try to take trades after the news, it's already 11 o'clock if they're news at 10, so the session is kind of ending. And I prefer if they're news at 8:30, because
Yeah.
there's still like 1 hour and a half to the silver bullet.
Yeah, but news at 10, they're usually much weaker. They don't really manipulate price that much. Because I've traded many silver bullets with news, with the same news, like consumer sentiment. And it really didn't really show that much volatility for me. And my trades, like if you have a 5-handle stop loss, like it was fine for me.
We'll see tomorrow.
But still don't trade news, because it's not recommended.
Yeah, I know.
Very bad. But anything could happen, you know. Because before, when I like started trading ICT concepts, I didn't really like look at. I mean, even when I was trading retail, I didn't really look at news like that,
Me too. I didn't.
because I didn't think they were important, you know, for Bitcoin. But they are. I want to see what Bitcoin done actually. Yeah, it's the same. Pretty much a rally up.
Yeah. It's always the same.
Now Bitcoin's looking very ugly. The daily looks so bad. So bad.
Big consolidation, to be honest.
Yeah, it's just been consolidating from like last month, end of last month.
Ragnar is saying, do you trade the Judas swing? GU has just broken the high of the day, waiting for MSS. Wait, GU. I mean, GU is just rallying right now. If you take a look
Oh yeah, I see that.
after the news, 9 a.m. just rally. Maybe. I don't know, honestly. I mean, we do have liquidity from this low or this low, and then
Could be good longs for GU because we just pretty much the weekly imbalances that I'd drawn from like ages and ages ago. We kind of just ignored it and we just went straight past on this week. And then there is a volume imbalance.
yeah, I see that on the weekly.
I could target, on the weekly, yeah. But yeah, I had these drawn. I don't trade this, but I just had these drawn for like a month ago or something, and they're still here.
Yeah, right now I trade Judah swing, but like during the London or the New York, mostly during the London kill zone, because during the New York I traded the 2022 model.
So yeah, no dollar is going down.
Yeah, pretty much dumping.
So now we could potentially see.
So we took the short-term high on dollar and a short-term low, and then I want to see another low formed and taken.
I'm surprised because yesterday when I entered the trade to go short, because I pretty much entered the trade and I just turned my PC off. I went to the gym with my friend, and I mean I look and I'm up like 6% on the day, but when I looked at dollar didn't do anything, which is very weird because I thought dollar went up because I was expecting that,
Wait, can you actually trade the DXY or?
I think you can, because ICT did say something about like I don't trade. He said I don't trade the dollar index, but I look at it.
I never heard of anyone trading it, actually trading it.
Yeah, but it's probably these large funds and banks, they trade it as well. So
yeah, maybe. We don't
I
see.
mean, maybe that's what he means by that, but I don't know. ICT did mention like stuff about I don't trade.
I'll Google it.
I think you can definitely, because I mean you can place limit orders on the demo. So
yeah, you can trade DXY with CFDs, just like S&P and Nasdaq.
yeah, but I feel like I wouldn't want to trade this. I think this. I mean, it's good, but
yeah,
I like looking at the DXY as like an indication,
yeah.
if prices are gonna like divergences and correlation. But yeah, we could even like dollar could just keep dumping, because of how much stuff is going on.
Just gotta wait.
We have showed a lot of weakness to the downside.
Yeah.
Over the past like couple months. But yeah, I'm just looking at this right now. But yeah, I mean, we're looking to maybe go higher even on the Nasdaq. I wouldn't really mind taking like a 1-to-1 trade on Nasdaq to the upside, but I'm not really sure, because I do want to see some lower prices.
We're kind of going up right now on the DXY, on the Nasdaq.
Yeah, I'm seeing that as well. We could just go, because I mean we did respect that inversion fair value gap, even though we went down, we went above it, but then we treated it as support, and then we went up, and then there was like this kind of this, I guess you can say, this market structure shift on there, and then we did tap into the gap, and then potentially rallying higher. That could have been a trade opportunity maybe. But I don't really want to take anything pre 9:30.
Seeing some. Yeah, we made a low on the DXY as well in the 1 minute, so maybe we'll see that broken.
Yeah, I'm looking at that as well. Yeah.
Because yeah, now I'd like to. They've had a really strong move. I don't like this consolidation on the SPX and Nasdaq, to be honest.
Let me just look at some SPX. Yeah, that's not ideal. But I still think lower prices, like
Lower
by
prices.
far, like London lows would be really cool to take out.
Yeah, I'm looking to take it to for price to take that too. We'll have to just wait and see.
I was actually gonna hold my, because I took off. So yesterday when I took the trade to short, it was an S&P trade.
Yeah, I know,
I was expecting prices to go lower, but I took like 75% of my position off, and then I saw like then I was monitoring the 5 minute, and then as soon as I saw, because we entered a fair value gap, on the,
Yeah,
it was like the 15 minute, and then as soon as I saw a market structure shift to the upside on one of the time frames, I can't remember, I just took all of my position out because I just don't know, I just thought we're gonna go back up, and I just didn't want to risk the
yeah,
profits.
reasonable.
But I'm currently up 4.5% again.
Really
I'm
nice.
up and down, moving like I wasn't really expecting. I mean, I did expect lower prices, but I didn't really expect a massive, massive, massive dump. Because I wasn't even looking at my screen half the time. I just happened to like look at my phone for a little bit, and I just got hooked in, and I spent a little bit on the charts on my phone, just managing my position and stuff.
Nice.
Because I was in drawdown for a little bit for like.
Yeah, I mean that's unfortunate
Then I
because
moved. Then I just moved my stop loss high. I was like, I got nothing to risk.
before
Whatever.
you almost passed phase one, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Only if I didn't try to chase price, I would have actually passed the next day probably easily. All I needed is like 0.4% or like 5 or like I can't remember. It was one of the. It was below 1% to pass. Still doable now. Now that I'm up in this
Yeah,
position,
totally it is.
I need 3.5%. One good trade today could get me like a 1 to 2 hour trade, and then I'll just wait for Friday, maybe next week, because I still have 6 days, because I don't trade weekends.
Yeah, I mean me neither. I don't trade crypto.
Yeah,
It's not really
it's
the
a bit
best
stupid
price
that
action.
like it says eight days left, but then if you take away all of the weekends, it's you technically have like 20 something days to trade. Okay, now I'm just gonna look at a 5 minute, and I'm gonna use the wick that was made from the news as a gap. Let me see if we filled an equilibrium. Oh, we actually did. We felt equilibrium with a precise tick. Now we're showing displacement down. Could be good shorts if we break structure.
Yeah.
Because even, what was the trade? I think it was like a week and a bit ago. I think it was like non-farm payroll. I took a trade and I got a really good dog, 1 to 3, using the wick
Nice.
as a gap.
Really nice.
Because I saw ICT also use it before. I don't believe it was a 2022 mentorship, but I saw something he was talking about, like how these massive wicks that you have on your charts, they can be used as gaps.
Yeah, especially he said that if price comes to the 50%, right?
Yeah.
Of the wick, if it's significant, then you should consider closing or taking something off from your position.
Yeah, because look at that reaction. If you look at Nasdaq 1 minute, or like if you grab the 5 minute, the A30 candle, and you draw the wick, draw like a box, and if you mark the 50%, we tapped it perfectly to the wick, and then we showed displacement down. Now we had like a market structure shift. Could could be some nice shorts. I would have taken this, like the 50% of this.
I want to see this low broken first.
Let me just check if my trade would have been valid. I'm just gonna enter like a demo just to see.
I want to see this low
Upwardly
broken
high.
first before, and then we'll see. Because I still believe we can go higher.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Maybe.
I believe so as well, to be fair.
Yeah, it really like ugly price action.
Yep. Wait, whoops, my bad.
Just chilling. Yeah, tomorrow is there news for prelim.
Yeah, it's
OM.
it's not really like big news,
Yeah,
but it's still something to.
it's still a red folder, so
Yeah, it's still a red folder. Yeah. Still have to take in consideration, but. Yeah, this price action looks very good. I mean, we on the 5 minute, we did react from this gap. Now pushing higher.
let's see if we have any form of SMT. Yeah, we could have an SMT right here. S&P made equal lows, and then Nasdaq made higher low, but this is on the 1 minute, and there's no. It's really like small, but still a confirmation.
Okay. I mean, DXY looks like it's gonna sweep the 830 low that was made.
Yeah, the XYs. I mean,
Maybe even
they're
take it out and close it below.
they're also equal lows, basically.
Yeah, relative equal lows.
And right here, yeah, it's okay. Everything's DXY not really. I really don't like this pre-930 price action. I really want to see volume and volatility come in after 930 or 10 for the silver bullet.
For what? DXY or S&P and Nasdaq?
What?
Were you talking about the DXY or the?
No, about the indices, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely pick up the volatility. But yeah, look, 9 a.m. hit, and we already saw some volatility increasing, which is a good sign.
We'll see.
Yep.
Really could be. I really want to short because, we're really in a deep premium.
Yep.
Also going above the opening price on midnight, so
Let me look at the weekly gap. We are like way above, I think. We are way above all the opening gaps for the week.
Yeah, we are, because we just rallied yesterday so much.
Yeah, from news, yeah. Even overnight rally was quite big.
Yeah.
People who held overnight, they're happy.
Kind of boring price action, not gonna lie. really not ideal, so I will not be trading it for until 9:30 or silver bullet occurs. So I really want to get the really perfect and nice entry.
If we see displacement down with 930 open, which I'd honestly take some short. There's
Yeah.
opportunities.
I really favor shorts before longs. That's 100%. Because
Yeah, me too.
although my daily bias may be bullish for the long term, today it's just so bearish. So
Yeah. Plus, Nasdaq swept so much buy side. But it could just completely ignore it for the day and just go up, do what it wants, you know.
yeah.
That's why bias is like, usually for me, I need to see, like, I'd love to see the. Okay, let's just say the day closes bullish. My bias would be kind of neutral until I see a nice, like, bearish candle.
Yeah, totally agree.
That's how bias for me goes.
I wanna see a like this. Now that we came so high above, I don't know if I wanna see this low taken, because we're probably gonna go higher, way higher. But the silver bullet, let's see the narrative where we are. I mean, looking really bearish. Even though on the weekly for the Nasdaq, yeah, we do have this high on the weekly for the S&P. Small high, which we're going daily. It's this one. Could act as a nice joint liquidity now that we came above and closed above this daily gap. So the joint liquidity could be that. And we're also expanding higher, so out of consolidation, so my daily bias is basically bullish, but I still think we'll retrace because we have a volume imbalance below right here, which is a really as I said, volume imbalance is a magnet for price basically, so we'll see what happens. But generally my bias is bullish until here, or until we close below this fair value gap, and then we will see. Just yesterday we had a really nice inducement. So have
Just ranging about.
yeah. I don't like this range, to be honest. Like, it's really boring. Yeah. Nothing's happening.
We could see maybe another sweep to the buy side, because if you look at how this retail would see this ascending triangle pattern, potentially trade a breakout of it to the upside, and I really like obviously counter trending the retail traders liquidity.
Yeah,
could be a nice fake pump up, taking liquidity, taking all the people who trade breakout, and then reversing back down. Could be another option, take in consideration.
Well, there's really nothing to really show anything right now, so we'll have to see later. As I said, 9:30 open or Yeah, I'm probably gonna trade a silver bullet today because it's gonna be in good proximity after the news, 1 hour and a half, and it's also really good setup for me to trade.
Yep.
So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, dollar just took the lows of 830.
Yeah.
No, the dollar just looks so bearish. Is there any like weekly imbalances on the left side? There's really nothing. There's just like one order block.
On a daily?
We could weekly. I'm looking. It's March 14th, Monday. But I mean, it's a very, very big jump. It's like nearly a whole point.
Yeah, really, really big dump. So we are now kind of leaving the consolidation right here. Up, consolidation, down. So could be bearish till the next discount PD array, which is probably this fair value gap. I'm not too sure. We'll see, but our mainly focus is on the Nasdaq and S&P, which I am kind of bullish, but again, anything can happen before.
Yeah, like my bias is kind of in the middle. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if prices go up and down. Like,
Yeah.
because I mean, it's just news really like changed this whole week for me.
Yeah,
Like,
I just chop right now because if there was no news, there would have been a really clean price action for Nasdaq.
yeah,
But now the news, yeah, I don't know, not just chop inside the high to low of the news, basically.
yeah,
I don't really like this, to be honest.
yeah. It's just given undecisiveness in the market, which is not what we want to see. Honestly, if we do take any like lows in the 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, I want to see 3 minute taken maybe. Just any visible low that we see that's quite out there. I wanna see it get taken out to the downside and with 930 potentially opening.
Yeah, well, still, just chop, chop, chop. 20 minutes right now, I'm looking at a 5 minute time frame. We formed a low, really nice low. It is basically could be broken if we want to go to the downside. So, yeah, just chop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 minute candles, which is basically 25 minutes of chop.
Yeah.
So yeah, just gotta
I mean,
wait.
930 is opening soon anyway. We'll see what it does. But it could be like another same thing where we had news on yesterday and we just went up, you know? We didn't really see a retracement down until like later, like around 10.
Yeah,
Could be another like
yeah.
type of move, but
But
I
I
don't really
was
like those type of moves.
yesterday. I was honestly expecting for the lows to be taken
Yeah, same.
after we took this buy side liquidity, which was also our silver bullet target for yesterday.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at as well.
But
But then I saw the market structure shift up and I just closed my trade.
one sec, I'll be right back.
No problem. How was your week? Did you take any dubs, any losses? Now rallying up. We hit the equilibrium of the wick again. Now we pushed a little bit deeper inside the premium, but nothing too serious. Okay, so now we're actually pushing to the upside. Not that bad, because we might sweep the news high. Maybe are back. Back. Now we're seeing some reaction from the sweep of the buy side that we had drawn out from the news 8:30 candle.
Oh yeah, we really went up.
Yeah, we did, and it's pretty much pre 9:30 open, which is honestly I was expecting this, to be fair. I mean, I thought we were gonna do it with 9:30 open, but we actually just swept it pre 9:30.
I mean 9:30 is right now, so we'll see what price does. We could go even higher. We created equal highs, but
Yeah, I'm seeing there, look at this price dumping.
really nice.
Yeah, if I see displacement to the downside on Nasdaq, I'm definitely gonna end up.
I mean, we are displacing to the downside right now.
Yeah, we're doing a really nice job.
So guys, do you want to see this trade, or do you guys want to see a silver bullet specific trade? Let me know, because I feel like I'm more confident with the silver bullet. But let me know what you wanna see.
Take what you wanna, take.
Yeah, I know.
If the trade is not looking the best,
I mean, we will for sure create a fair value gap right here, right? Because this candle is really big. We got lows broken, we got displacement. The session started.
I'm looking at the inversion fair value gaps with the price rally up high. I'm gonna enter from the top one.
From the top one, yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm just calculating my risk.
Once we fill the imbalance, I want to see this low broken as well. And once I see that, I might consider entering and then taking another silver bullet trade later as well.
We just fully went back up.
Yeah, yeah. We fill the imbalance right now on S&P and Nasdaq.
I didn't take it though.
Me
I was
too.
too slow. The markets are too fast for me, man. But we could just see another high. rally up, like, and we are seeing that.
Yeah, we're displacing above
Thank
now.
God I didn't enter. I would have been out off the trade. Yeah, it's, I mean,
Let's see if we
I guess
get a
it's worth.
divergence right now. Then this could be a sell maybe. But until then, I think on Nasdaq we're just on S&P we're just continuing higher to this weekly high and daily high as our Joe liquidity, which is around 20 points away. No, around 15 points away. A little bit more than 15, 16. Really nice.
I had also on the S&P daily. I have a like a wick as a gap drawn on that we're currently in 50%. It was from 21st of April 2022. It was like the fair value gap, but it's above it. I'm just using the wick. See if we have a reaction from the wick.
I'm looking what's Bitcoin's doing right now. Bitcoin could be a sell, to be honest. I'm not gonna enter, but we'll see. Got a consolidation. Nothing really. On Nasdaq, yeah, we're just pushing higher. Immediately.
So might have just had a Judas down, tricked a lot of people.
Yeah.
We're just going even higher now.
But we had a smart SMT divergence. Dollars going down, yeah.
Could be nice longs as well.
So basically, where's the next daily low? It's right there. This could be a true liquidity for price. I mean, it's just dumping. It's just like the lows. Every new candle is closing without the wick. That means that it's closing at a close at the end of the candle. So I believe that's a really strong bearish indication. And we're dumping, of course. Just yesterday, the London created the high of the day, so could be an indication as well. We're seeing some nice rate on stops right now. I believe this is what it is, but not sure. Just gotta wait for I need to see an SMT, then may enter right away. Could be a nice market maker sell model.
Yeah, I'm just looking at it as well.
But there's no POI, so on a 1 hour, like, where's the fair value gap below? It's right here. So yeah, the silver bullet could not play out because I don't think this is good conditions for silver bullet today. We have really high open volatility. We had consolidation before. I don't know. I'll wait for the silver bullet if we don't get a setup. So just chilling.
I'm gonna look for a setup.
Take the safe one.
If I find a good one, then I'll definitely take it. Yeah, we're just flying. If not, then I'll just trade the PM session.
Yeah.
I'll see what happens. But I do favor lower prices at the moment. So how we're pushing higher.
This could all together be a Judas swing.
Yep.
Could be a really nice one, to be honest. So we'll see. I think.
That's why I'm waiting for like 945, 950
Yeah.
to look for entries because I mean, yeah, no, like trading Judas swings, yeah, they can be very profitable, but also very bad if you don't know what you're doing properly. Because I've seen some people on Twitter trading Judas swings every day pretty much. But for me, it's hard to identify the Judas swing. After news, after all of that, it's for me
I
it's
mean, yeah, today we had news, but some days it's like really clear.
yeah. But usually on news days, my Judas swing is very off. The one thing that I did like with this long going up and up, it's how the consolidation that we had, we just swept the lows of it, and then we just went higher.
Yeah, we also had an SMT divergence, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Wait, I'll be right back.
Yeah, take your time. We have to see what happens. What are euros doing? Nothing really.
I'm back. Let's see. Some
Welcome
sort
back.
of a little displacement, maybe. Well, we just might fill the gap and continue going higher. But then we also have this order block that we did hit as well with the wick. Could have been a high probability trade upside. But I don't really want to chase the market already after it made a very, very, very big move upside.
Yeah.
But usually those moves are not even that bad to take, because then it's better for me to like take this than like try to like predict price going down.
Yeah, totally.
Sometimes it just gives like a fake market structure shift, and then it just completely ignores it and just goes up anyway. That's why higher time frame would be very, very good, like 3 minute, 5 minute, 4 minute, whatever.
On Nasdaq, we're still pushing up.
Yeah, dollar's going down. Could have been really, really good longs. But I'm not a magician. I don't know what's gonna happen next. So it's a risky long.
Yeah, we'll see. But right now, I don't want to really take like anything. Yeah.
If it does provide me that, but I mean, I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
If it's not now, then it's gonna be the silver bullet hour. If it's not the silver bullet hour, it'll be PM session. Because markets don't always just go up. Like yesterday. Yesterday we had like big news, and then we just continued. 9:30 open, we just continued higher. And then within the silver bullet hour, we showed some weaknesses lower. That's where I took like my trade from the silver bullet hour. I'll say maybe like 10, around somewhere in the late hour, and it delivered really well for me.
Yeah.
But yet again, I was also risking 2% of that on that trade,
Nice.
because I was like, there's no way it just continues going high when like we're so into the premium, and we had a very, very good sell-off.
What is S&P doing? It's kind of.
It's just kind of ranging about, doing things.
Yeah.
I feel like this week markets have been very, very like manipulated because of the news. It's like it's way different than what it usually does.
Yeah, I mean, there was a lot of news today.
Yep. I want to actually look at next week.
What?
Because now I'm curious.
Yeah. Next week, yeah, I'm gonna check too. As well,
Yeah, there's some 8:30 news on Monday. More 8:30 news on Tuesday. Pretty much nothing on Wednesday. Unemployment claim. I mean, still, to be fair, the next week is gonna be very like there's gonna be some red folders, some orange folders, but it's nothing like CPI, PPI, and stuff.
Nice.
So it should be. I'm looking forward for next week's trading.
Yeah, the market's just pushing up, straight up. So we'll see. Really, I'm just gonna wait for Silver Bullet, guys. Just waiting for Silver Bullet, to be honest. Because I don't really want to risk anything, or because there's like really nothing to trade. We're just pushing up, not showing low resistance liquidity runs. So yeah, we are rejecting on the S&P right now. We got this low and this low, so we'll see. I'm gonna stay on the 1 minute to see what happens.
I'm just gonna keep looking at Nasdaq. Although S&P looks maybe a little bit better than Nasdaq.
Maybe, yeah.
This could be. If we have some more displacement, it'd be nice shorts on S&P.
Yeah.
Well, who knows? Yeah, we just hit the order block again on the 1 minute.
Yeah, just gotta wait. Judah
it's
Swing
lit-
is coming in SPX. Maybe you're right, Julian. Maybe you're right, because we got a really nice low form that filled an imbalance. Which is, if we take this low, we could really, like, go lower, right? We could really go lower.
Yeah, Judas can be very, very good. I think this is the Judas. But it could be the same price action like yesterday. We just make a range, we range, and we just slowly go up with the range, you know?
Yeah.
Which wouldn't be fun, you know? Because then we just don't get any trades. And the market is just very, very choppy.
Yeah.
We'll look at the 5 minute.
Still no market structure shift on the S&P. So we'll see.
Yeah. dollar just went into the 99s.
Yeah, and then maybe, yeah, now we have a shift in the market structure, so we'll see what happens. Let's look at
Let's see.
Nasdaq. Oh, Nasdaq is even clearer. Nasdaq has a
Yeah.
better price action, to be honest.
Yeah, we swept that low. If we close it about below it, really good for shorts.
Yeah.
But we're just rejecting, and we're not getting anything.
Yeah, Judah swing. This could be a really, what is called Judah swing, but I don't really see, because there's so many wicks. On a 5-minute, we kinda looks like we're reacting from the Fair Valley gap.
For what?
Not ideal.
For S&P or?
For S&P, yes. Kinda looks like we're reacting from the Fair Valley gap on the 5-minute, but I'm still gonna look on the 1-minute if I see anything.
Yeah, I don't know. If you look at Nasdaq 5-minute, like if we close with a bearish candle, this looks like a very clean swing point, like a swing high made for the day.
Yeah, that's why I think this could be a Judah swing. A really nice Judah swing.
Who knows? Yeah, I don't know. This price action is so ugly.
Yeah, correct. Like on S&P, I'm watching the 1-minute. It just all consolidation, not really doing anything.
And for Nasdaq, it's just wicks and wicks.
Yeah, it's same for S&P.
Yeah.
If I check, yeah, it's just wicks for S&P. Nasdaq only wicks. I don't like this, to be honest. Really not not favorable.
It's just been like this whole week, pretty much. I feel like.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, but I like seeing lower prices about now. The 5-minute looks really nice for lower prices on the Nasdaq, but obviously you might just do the opposite like it is right now. very, very weird price action.
Yeah.
Just nothing what I'm looking for, you know.
Yeah, me neither.
It's just presenting nothing.
I don't like anything as well.
Like even longs look bad now. I know it's so bullish. The dollar is kind of just going down as well again.
Yeah, I mean, we could see really lower prices on the dollar, so.
Yeah.
But still, you know. Judah Sung
hoping
and
next
Geo,
week we're gonna
MSS's
be-
hit, I think. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think so, because we got multiple legal lows. DXY could be going down, and that means GBP is going up. So I wouldn't consider this a market structure shift for now. I'm just gonna not enter yet. I'll wait and see if I get something better.
Yeah, we just seen a rally up even higher on Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Completely smashing the high, I mean, not the low. Okay, we could see, so now this is going to be this one, it's like large wick down is going to be my market structure shift. If we do get it, we don't, but see that.
We're seeing some rejection on Nasdaq as well.
Yeah,
And
I see that.
S&P. But there's no divergence still. I want to see divergence, because this would really show we could see a reversal.
Yeah, if we do see like an hour displacement candle down with Nasdaq and we have a fair value gap, I'd be happy to enter this, honestly.
Yeah.
Honestly, because it's pretty good. It looks decent.
Okay, this is a nice displacement right now. Can you see it?
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
This is a really nice.
I want to see a market structure
displacement,
shift.
which is here.
Yeah, this could be a very, very nice trade.
Oh man, I would like to see the S&T divergence so much. We could go back higher, because as we didn't really get the market structure shift on the 5
Yeah, we
minute.
didn't get the market structure shift.
Still have to wait.
We're just kind of messing about. Yeah, we didn't show any market structure shift. Because my market structure shift point for Nasdaq would be the 947 candle, the wick.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I got that marked out. I
yeah,
have that
that's
marked
the
out as
low.
well.
Yeah, that's the low I was looking at because we made a higher high from that impulse.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, nothing trade worthy yet.
Agree.
Because we just kind of, we're not showing any displacement past the market structure shift.
Yeah.
The ideal would be just to close below it. But yeah, S&P is kind of just going back up. Whilst
Maybe we'll see anything.
we're showing a weak prices going up.
We just gotta check something.
The idea would be just to close below. Very
Yeah. Okay.
weird
Stream is
price,
good.
like,
Yeah. I mean,
Stream is
even like before we took we created the shift. We already fit in balance. We got a really nice displacement, right? But on S&P, SPX is just not filling it. It just staying up there. There's like maybe look on the 3 minute or 5 minute, because on 1
yeah,
minute
Nasdaq looks.
yeah, but I don't like the consolidation being there.
I don't like the consolidation.
That's the only thing I don't like, because it's kind of annoying being there.
Yeah, I see that as well.
Yeah, we're ejecting now because we just don't want to go lower.
Yeah.
The silver bullet is starting in 1 minute, so we got a really nice consolidation where we can return. Looks decent. But we need to break this. We need to break this low to short. That's of course that's
Yeah,
a
that's
reason.
what I'm also just keeping my eye on.
I'm just gonna delete the stuff, delete this. Okay, it's fine now. So this is what I'm looking for, guys, right now. Okay, now it's good.
Yeah, I really like the sell side we have below so much.
Yeah, me
liquidity.
too. Me too. I really like that as well.
Yeah, we might not get to London's sell side, but I mean, I don't know. Maybe we can. Anything can happen, obviously, but
I mean, if you look at the 15-minute consolidation, rally, consolidation.
15-minute looks really nice for Nasdaq. I mean, if we do form this swing high that we have, could be very nice.
Yeah, totally agree.
Yeah, they just don't want to break structure to the downside. Yeah, look at S&P, just range and range.
Yeah, I mean, this could be a nice place for divergence to form, which I would really appreciate if it would form, because this is what I want to see personally. The divergence would be perfect. That's basically all I need to see is the divergence. Okay, so with Nasdaq we're going down. Finally some action. I just hope we don't get into ranging market again. This would be really boring and unfortunate.
Yeah, this could be a very, very nice trade. Good take.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. Very nice trade. Everything is lining up. A lot of confirmation. Just we need to take the lows first.
Oh, now we have some nice displacement.
Yep. Now displacement's coming in. This could be a silver bullet trade, right? But
Yeah.
I mean, we gotta stay below there. We can't.
Yeah, we just can't. It's just, or otherwise it's just liquidity.
On the 5 minute, we'll see now what happens. And basically,
Oh yeah, I see the gap as well. We've just been rejected so many times.
yeah, we'll see. I mean, we still got a minute because the last 30 seconds or last minute from the 5 minute candle is usually deciding, so we have to wait a little bit.
Yeah, honestly, if that gap just goes, just doesn't respect it anymore, and we just close below it, very, very clean. But obviously, anything can happen. We could just invalidate that. This gap on the 5 minute, go back down.
Yeah, that's
Get
true.
the other one.
That is true.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. We're not forcing trades.
Me too. I'm not trying to
Yeah, I
force
learned
trades
from my
either.
mistakes, forcing trades and stuff. Lost a little bit too much. But yeah, we're just in this gap at the moment, looking at as well.
I mean, it's 5 minute closes in 1 minute, so we should get the
Yeah, I
volatility
mean
here.
S&P is S&P is not really showing lower prices though, which is weird.
Yeah. Okay, so now
Could be some nice divergence.
we're gonna see actually what the market's gonna do because we got the divergence. We don't have the divergence, but the 5 minute candle is actually closing. So
Yeah,
we'll
if the
see.
5 minute closes nicely,
Mhm.
the outside of the gap, could be really good.
Yeah.
Then I'm just gonna drop into 1 minute, look for some gaps to form. Yeah, we've closed that outside of it, which is not that bad, and we did get a breaker structure. But now there is no gaps at the moment.
But still, this could be a nice bearish silver bullet narrative, right? We could really see a move down with a
Yeah.
silver during a. Yeah, we got more displacement because the silver bullet could reprice to this level, which I'm really looking for it to reprice. But on
Yeah.
that, I just would like to see some SMT divergence, but there's no divergence. Oh my god.
Yeah, S&P is kind of lacking behind.
Yeah,
Cause
but-
see, we've already broken structure on the Nasdaq, and then
Yeah, but-
S&P we just.
I really want to see divergence. Like this is really really strong confirmation,
Yeah, of course.
really strong confirmation.
There is a gap that might form with this next 1 minute close. But we're in this other 5 minute gap that I was talking about.
Mhm.
We're just flying. Yeah, but this stop loss would have to be quite huge for me if I enter, like 26 points at least, to get the previous swing low to cover.
Swing high or swing low?
The lower swing high that was formed
Oh yeah.
from the first displacement, because I don't really think prices should go back up there. They're already showing that this much. Yeah, look, S&P is also following now.
Yeah, I think the displacement is much visible in the 3 minute time frame or the 4 minute. 5 and
Oh,
not
yeah,
really.
the 3 minute looks really good.
Yeah,
actually.
the 3 minute.
We have a gap.
Because
Yeah,
I
we'll
don't-
see. I might enter from this gap. We are looking very very bearish at the moment.
Yeah, I agree. Totally.
Oh, I mean, if we do close on a 3-minute bearish, I'm gonna take an entry short from the gap, because that gap also lines up with the other 3-minute inversion fair value gap. If you can see on your chart,
Yeah, I see.
they're like pretty much not perfect, but it lines up to an extent.
Yeah, it's almost perfect to the tick.
Yeah,
Almost.
so it looks really nice. And the 1-minute gap is the same on the 1 minute. Yeah, no, now we're just pushing up.
Yeah, we might. I mean, we have this strong resistance level. I mean, this is the real resistance, not like support and resistance, you know. But if we go through it, maybe we still got the order block. Really nice one on the 2 minute.
We just tapped in it. There's a 1-minute order block as well. We tapped. Yeah, I mean, I'm still maybe gonna look. Yeah, but I just don't like the 5-minute thingy we just hit.
What?
The 5-minute gap we filled.
Oh, the
Pretty much
5 minute
in the
gap.
discount. Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
Could be another factor. Higher prices.
Well, I'm still looking for short
Yeah,
silver
me too.
bullet trade, but we're not gonna take the silver bullet here yet. We're gonna wait a little bit for it to
I
play
mean,
out.
if we don't break the high, the high that had that broke market structure,
Yeah,
I don't think we're gonna go up any higher than that's what I think.
yeah, me too. I don't think so as well.
Because I mean, I just don't really see why we would if we don't break that, and we have some gaps.
We'll see how this plays out. We can easily go back, so we'll see. We're just displacing above. Not looking good. Not looking good. Too good. For
Yeah,
short.
but if the high still stays,
Yeah, but I don't know. It's like not. It's not invalidated the shorts, right? But it's really. How do I say? It's still looking up lower, but it's
Yeah.
kind of pushing down really heavily right now.
yeah, see that. But we haven't yet broken the high, which
Yeah,
is what I like.
that's also true.
Because I mean, if the high's then broken, then we could just see another rally up. Who knows? But
We honestly have to just wait and see what happens. This is just a waiting game.
Yep.
The high has not yet been broken. I mean, if you look, we returned to this fair value gap. Which we can see, which we saw reaction. There's a 1 minute fair value gap that from the displacement. Can you see it?
Yeah. Was it the one below?
What?
Is it the one below that we hit, or the one that we previously tapped?
The one that we previously tapped before.
Oh yes, yeah.
Before breaking.
Yeah, we respected it. Yeah, we respected it.
Structure. Yeah.
And now we're showing lower prices. So if we do potentially break that low, that swing point low, the one that we made, that could be nice entries as well.
Yeah, I agree.
But there is this gap as well that we're in. But it shouldn't be a problem, I think. So ICT takes some live executions with a similar setup we're in. Basically, the gap ran through, and he took shorts like in this stage of the market.
Oh, in the inversion fair value gap.
Yeah, but then I was like, what? How? I mean, I usually think it's gonna go up, because of inversion. Right now, I wouldn't enter short right here, but ICT did, bro. But I mean, it's ICT. He knows what he's doing,
It's a different thing.
I can't argue about that, but it's just very unique. I wouldn't really enter shorts like that. I mean, obviously, maybe the setup was a bit different. It was a bit much better, but
No, I believe he entered because we had a breakaway gap there. So breakaway gap is basically a gap that shouldn't be filled fully.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
So.
Yeah, I was looking at those different. He was doing the fair value gaps in one of his 2022 videos. I believe it's like 26, maybe 25.
What is there?
Because he has the breakaway gaps and the measuring gaps.
Oh yeah. Well, I don't really know exactly what measuring gap is, but I know what breakaway gap is.
No, it's measuring gaps. Pretty much, they're very similar to breakaway gaps, but they also get filled, but they don't get filled 100%.
Well, that's similar to a breakaway gap.
Yep. Oh my god, my mom's hoovering, but I have to mute.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we could see a lower prices because this looks really good for shorts now. Just more confirmation for a silver bullet and we good. Because
I'm seeing that as well.
We have a market share shift right here. There's a consolidation. If we break below it, I might consider taking a short. And we also have a decent range. SPX, just consolidating. I think SPX took the low. No, yeah, SPX took the low, took the high previous. Okay, right here. So this could be a SMT. But I want to see this low broken first to validate the short.
Yeah, I'm back right now.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the price.
Yeah, I don't know. We're just in that fair inversion gap. I'm just currently just going back and forth.
Yeah, I'm looking to short it. So.
Yeah, same.
But I want to see another break of market structure shift or break of structure. It's basically the same. I want to see another one to basically
that'll
validate
be
my
nice.
short. And then we'll see what happens next. Maybe we take a short, maybe we don't, we'll see. But I think this is a really nice trade. Yes, yes. Well, guys, winners of the giveaway are joined tomorrow. So if you didn't participate yet, go into my Discord and under giveaways channel, you can enter the giveaway. The winners are joined tomorrow. So make sure to try your luck and maybe win a 10k challenge funded. There are five 10k challenges for giveaways. So yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I'm hoping to win that. Wait, does Clover have a time limit or?
What?
I believe they do Clover trade like the prop firm Clover traders, do they have a time limit or?
I never checked it.
I think they do. But it's fine.
I found out that the time limit actually, like, it's not so important. Why? Because well, I have unlimited account, right? But unlimited, it's just maybe to make it cost more, because unlimited
Yeah.
is not so much better than regular, because you can easily pass it if you know what you're doing under 1 month, right? And you will pass it as well. You're 5% in profit, so you don't need to worry about anything.
Yeah, I got 7 days, 6 days. So pretty much next week, the whole of next week to pass.
Yeah. Well, just the weekends doesn't count, right? So you have to
Yeah,
take
that's
away.
the weekends.
That's
So
the
2
only thing.
weekends, so yeah, pretty much like the next week, the whole of next week. And if I don't pass it by then, I'm entering a BTC trade.
Yeah,
I'm
well,
hoping.
yeah.
That's my last hope.
Well, I just checked. There's no time limit for Clover traders.
Yeah, that's really good actually.
No time limit. It's unlimited for default plan.
So if I get the challenge, I wouldn't be that mad.
Maybe
We'll see.
I'll just pick it random and I'll then show a screenshot on the channel.
That's fine.
We'll see.
I have odds. It's 21 people so far.
Yeah, that's you have chance. It's not like the Twitter giveaways where there's like 1,000
Yeah, Twitter giveaways.
or 4,000 people against you.
Yeah. Yeah, but those accounts, they're usually like 25k, 50k accounts. Like,
Yeah.
more people want them, you know? Some people don't, like, 10k account, that's enough. Even 5k is good for me. Because it's still, I practice, you know? I don't need a 100k account.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. Like, obviously in the future, yeah, obviously if you're really good at trading, then obviously you're gonna get a higher 100 account. Yeah, we're just respecting this inversion gap. On the 3 minute. Oh.
Yeah, nothing really. I just want to see this low broken so much, because if you see right now we're in a consolidation actually, right? And if you're in a consolidation, we actually have to break out to be in a trending market, and we're right here to this low. We're having a low resistance liquidity run, which I believe there's a silver bullet trade inside a fair value gap that is gonna be formed right now.
Yeah, I'm seeing that as well right now.
So I'm gonna enter a silver bullet, place my stop loss right around this high.
Yeah, my stop loss is gonna be 25 points, so it's gonna be above the high that pushed this market down.
Yeah.
Should be good. No, I need to see how this
And then I'll
next round of
target
opens.
1-to-1. Just simple take partials here, target this. But yeah, there's no gap, so we have to wait a little bit more. A little bit more.
Yeah.
And we'll see.
Yeah, we're just retracing back up on the 3 minute, like.
Just gotta be patient.
Yeah. But yeah, markets not providing the best
Well, not today,
moves
but
today. Yeah, today's yesterday and today was just a bit weird.
I mean, I think yesterday in the PM session there was a lot of opportunities, even in the AM, because we can take a look on Nasdaq
Yeah.
yesterday. Like the AM session had a really nice trade. Even then, the lunch had a really nice trade, and then the PM. Well, the PM not really, but the lunch and the AM had really nice yesterday. But I didn't see it at that
Wait,
time.
what? Wait, my Forex funds. Wait, what the hell? My Forex funds on Discord, they just posted, we're happy to announce the key details of our no time limit change due on Monday. What? So now I've got no time limit.
Yeah, but I think that's for new accounts only. I'm
Now
sorry.
it says anyone with an existing evaluation will automatically be switched to unlimited trading days.
Damn, bro, you got lucky.
What the hell? What the fuck?
You got so
is
lucky.
And it's on Monday as well, so I still have days. I still have like 8
Yeah.
days. What the hell?
You're so lucky, man. Good job.
What? Damn, so now I can actually relax a little bit, not trade, like rush my trades if that actually happens.
Yeah.
Because it says Monday.
So
Said
basically,
exact time, not
yeah,
certain.
you'll have no time limit because they'll update.
Wow. How comes they're changing it now?
Huh?
They're like a big prop firm and they're just changing it now.
I don't know. Yeah, I mean,
They might increase prices on
I
the
mean,
challenges.
I heard summer that the no time limit is the new standard, right?
Yeah,
Because
I think it's because of prop firms. I saw something on TikTok where a lot of like the government is like the US government and stuff, they're targeting these prop firms because of how unethical they are. Basically, they're saying you need to give traders more time to trade and stuff, you know. That's what I saw. Something about that. And damn, actually looking good now.
really good.
Yeah, really, really good actually.
Yeah, we're still inside
So
a
now?
consolidation, if you see. We didn't
Yeah.
really get a market structure shift I wanted to see.
Yeah. It's very ugly. I don't even know.
Yeah, very ugly.
I do not like this. Because that 3 minute gap is just holding so well. We could just go higher, you know?
Yeah, we could.
If you look at it, the wicks I'm just gonna look at a 3 minute, and if something happens on the 3 minute, if we just keep closing.
I mean, we're going
Oh, you know, we're
below
just dumping.
right now. So this
I'm
could be a
still looking
nice.
shorts, but
I'm looking for
'cause I'm in-
silver bullet trade right now. So
yeah, we just
this,
swept.
I think
we
this
broke
is
the
gonna.
high again.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
this is gonna form a fair value gap, for sure.
100%. Unless
Also-
it just returns back up into the gap.
Nah, it's not gonna return probably.
Yeah, I hope not, because we've just been messing about, not doing anything. I'm just gonna look at the gap. Okay.
Yeah, we still didn't get the shift right now, but I'm looking. If this candle closes and goes below it, this could be a nice short.
Yeah, I agree with you. I mean, I don't want to see this candle go back up. If I'll be honest,
Me
I
neither.
want to see it. I want to see it just go down. And yeah, I want to see this go down. Yup. I would like to see. I'm gonna just place my limit order now, I think.
Me too. But I have to wait for a displacement of this candle, and if this candle displaces, I'm gonna enter. This is a really nice trade. I love it. I honestly love it.
Place.
Yeah,
I'll
nice
just place my limit
displacement.
order.
Wait, what's the lot size I should use? Come on, let me calculate this fast. It's 20 plus 2, it's 23. So 15,000, 23. risk,
I hope we can get the entry.
and then calculate. Oh,
Yeah, my stop loss is quite large, so I should be fine. Just in case like you wanna go a little bit higher. But yeah, I'm gonna get tapped in soon. Make sure I'm on 1% risk, not 2. Yep,
me too,
I'm
me
at
too.
1. Don't wanna do the same yesterday. Just tapped 2% randomly. I don't even know what I was thinking. Yeah, we still haven't tapped it yet. It's still kind of just going up. Yeah, but this looks very nice. Yeah, just like a whole breakout of this like range. But we haven't seen a tap into the gap as of yet. But I'm definitely expecting it to get filled. You know, getting a tap into that gap. Don't do this to me.
Hey, I just had to do something real quick. Yeah, there's no. Why didn't you go long on ES? You'll keep printing on ES. No, I trade SPX. I trade SPX.
Yeah, I'm back. Let me actually read the Discord again, what they said. I want to read more about it.
I'm looking to take an entry on this Fear Valley gap. Short entry.
Okay, so what my forex funds are doing, they said, yeah, the prices of the current evaluation will stay the same for now. However, on the 1st of August 2023, the prices will be increased slightly. The purpose of this increase is to cover the extra infrastructure requirement. Yeah, fair enough. That's really, really good. Yeah, we're returning into the gap potentially at the moment. Still haven't got in, but honestly, not too bad.
I mean, yeah, that's really nice. You're getting an unlimited.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean,
really, really actually.
I heard that FTMO is actually doing an unlimited challenge, unlimited
It's
this.
because I think because there was problems going on with like there were like complaints and stuff like from different governments and stuff. How they were like saying, oh yeah, you have to like they were just having just some stuff that they have to legal stuff they have to sort out. You
Yeah,
know.
just be right back.
Yeah, no problem. Captain to the trade. Yeah, I got tagged in. A moment.
Hello?
Yo, what's up?
Wait, did I disconnect from the Discord?
No.
Oh, okay. Because
Yeah,
my connection.
we got tagged in. I believe you did as well.
Yeah, I got tagged in. I got my second EP here
Yeah, same.
and first EP here.
Yeah, I'm aiming for 1 to 2, so I'm aiming the lows of 830. But that's probably gonna. I'll definitely just take some partials if we hit 1 to 1. My stop loss is quite wide, 25 handles, which is honestly good. Because I'm not trying to risk as much.
Yeah, I'm gonna place the partial. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, yeah, so looks good to me. Just gonna change it then NT5 as well. Okay.
We're respecting the gap as well.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna chill out a little bit. Let us listen to some music, you know. Good distraction. Yeah, and this is like a perfect silver bullet, I think, as well.
It's
We're
nice.
in the time range.
It's nice.
The displacement. But then SMP is just going up. That's the one thing that's concerning. Well, let's see if we can get a reaction from this 3 minute. The gap that we had drawn and we were trading in it, but then we broke it.
I mean, it's nice. It's nice to have a bullet, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
If we get stopped out, we do whatever.
Yeah. Totally fine.
Happens. Yeah, we have a nice rejection now from the 3-minute
Yeah, I
gap,
mean,
inversion gap.
this is like a perfect silver bullet for me. I mean, perfect
Yeah.
setups can also lose, but
Obviously,
if I
nothing is 100%.
yeah, if I would take a setup today, it would be that one for sure. So I'm pretty happy I got it.
Yeah, for me, I'm just treating this like it's a 2022 for me, pretty much.
Yeah,
Because I mean, the silver bullet is pretty much like what the 2022 model, but it's just
kinda.
you don't really need that liquidity sweep as you said before.
Mhm.
But I've realized that with a liquidity sweep, silver bullet usually delivers more. If that makes sense.
Mhm. Yeah, it does.
But then it's kind of rare to get a liquidity sweep on the after 9:30, you know, into 10. I don't really see that happen as often.
Mhm.
But yeah. Yeah, I don't. This gap that we're in, we're just perfectly closing in it, even though we're wicking above.
Yeah.
And now we're seeing S&P
Move
kind of
up.
dip
We'll see.
down. Yeah, honestly, we'll just see what happens.
I just have a feeling that we're gonna like sweep this high and then go lower.
Yeah, I don't know. The markets are just on not my favorite today, and I might just trade if this obviously doesn't go well. I'm definitely gonna just trade PM session after this. I think
Well,
because
I can't
yeah.
trade the PM session today because
Oh, you can't.
I'll be
Yeah,
away.
that's fine.
I'll be away, so.
That's fine. I'll try to look for some entries maybe. See if I can do anything.
To be honest, I don't like this displacement right now. To the upside.
Yeah, it doesn't look the best.
But we'll see. Did this high fill this imbalance? There is still a little imbalance left.
We did enter like this volume imbalance again we've had on the 3-minute for Nasdaq. Let me look if there's anything else. Yeah, we just traded into it again.
I don't know. I'll just wait for the trade to play out.
Yeah. Me too.
I don't really care if it loses. It's like a little risk. So. But the next week, like, this trade is like nice. Next week I'm gonna get a new account because, like, I really believe I can pass this. Maybe this trade is not ideal because it's new.
Very hard.
Yeah, I mean it's Newsday, so it's not ideal, but
this, like,
still.
I am expecting next week to be way better. Honestly.
Yeah, I mean, me too.
Like, genuinely, I think it's gonna be so much better than this week. This week has just been there's consolidation, a lot of it, a lot of rangy markets, choppy. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We're about to also get into the 10-10 to 11-10 macro as well. So this could be a very good short as well because of the macro. Because macro seek liquidity.
Maybe.
Well, we'll see, I guess. It's fine. came up and tapped and there you go.
It's probably gonna hit my stop loss, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean,
It's going for buy side, I think. Yeah, we came into...
I mean, my stop loss is around 15,467.7.
I mean, I think I know why we lost this trade.
Yeah,
Because the thing is, we didn't really come into any PD array up here. So this is actually the buy side liquidity. And this is not the sell. Yeah, we got stopped out. So yeah, I see now. So this is a...
Yeah, I got stopped out.
We also got the SMT here, which is a sign of the reversal. We have consolidation. And so this could be a long setup right here. So what is the range? No, because I mean, I got the direction wrong. I'm still trying to master the silver bullet setup because I feel like it's really powerful. And we got the inversion fair value gap here as well, but it's kind of in the premium. So
yeah, I might not trade anymore probably.
I will enter one more trade probably if it comes back to the fair value gap.
To the upside.
To the upside, yeah. Because I missed my bias. Wait, it's nice to see being consistent every day. Yeah, I mean, Emiliano, I'm basically now I'm just demo trading. I'm still trading on the account, but with this very low risk, right? So I'm basically break even from yesterday now. It came in. I'm not break even from yesterday PM session. It came and tapped into 9:30 candle order block. Yeah, I see that. That's what I saw. That this is the PDL rate, right? We came in and we didn't actually came above it. We didn't actually right here came into the ADPD array. So I'm really not looking for any setups. I shouldn't be looking for shorts, right? And this is basically the mistake I made. So I know for next time. And consolidation. No, I wouldn't take entry. I would take entry from this, and then 1-to-1 just take entry from the fill of the gap. I would take from the fill of the gap. So I'll maybe do another one because this is a real. So I'm gonna buy by market, and I got in right here. Basically, stop loss is just below this candle's low.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I could enter another trade as well, but with like lower risk, obviously.
So I got here
0.5.
5 point. I mean, you don't need to enter another trade if you didn't intend to.
No, but it's 0.5 risk. Obviously, I'm cutting my risk every time if I lose. Because I mean, long, I don't know even. Or I might just wait for PM session.
Yeah.
I just don't like how S&P looks. If you look at S&P, like there's so many like equal highs.
I mean, I might lose again, but I generally wouldn't take this trade on a real funded account, but I'm just seeing what would happen, right? So,
yeah.
Because I mean, I would take the trade like this, and I really want to master silver bullet because it seems like a really good setup.
S&P might look good as well.
Yeah, I mean, there's a SMT divergence right here.
S&P longs potentially.
Yeah, we came into this lower fair value gap, which offers way better entry, but we shouldn't go below this low either, and because there's no really fair value gap.
1-to-1 risk.
I mean, yeah, you can, I guess, but I'll see. This looks like a nice setup, to be honest. We'll see. Yeah, the end trade seek and destroy conditions, you're right. But I'm still more confident about this than this. Because as I said, I didn't see, we didn't came into any PD array. and I would take this one for sure on my funded account, but not this one. If I saw this before, which I would be more careful is if I was on real account, because this one is basically, yeah, we're trading above. Maybe we showed a good reaction. I'll just let it play out. I'll enter with market when we're close to the entry. If we go back up, I think the spread would get us in right now. Yeah, so stop loss is right here, and then take profit is right here. Basically 1-to-1, a little bit more right here, but yeah, that's the trade.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for my fill. It might not even fill because it already filled. I was just a bit too late.
We'll see how this plays out. We'll see. I'm more confident about this trade now that I know what I did wrong. But if I lose, I still lose. I'm gonna get another account
I got tapped in with 0.5.
and be more consistent next week. I really like... I don't know.
I'll see how this long looks. I took a S&P entry because we're also getting into this order block on the 5 minute. Oh yeah, well, yeah, I'm probably gonna go now. Just gonna do some stuff.
Good luck. See you.
Enter a trade. Yeah, you too. We can, if you're not busy tomorrow, maybe we can look.
Tomorrow.
Friday.
Yeah, we can. But
we can do something.
Today in the PM I can't. I'm live stream as well because
I might not even trade PM as well. If this goes well, I'm just gonna be 0.5 down on a day. Okay. But yeah, anyway, bro, see you later. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you later. Goodbye. Okay, guys, so as I said, I'm really more confident about this silver bullet because this is actually the silver bullet. This is just the trade I didn't see, what I did wrong because, you know, so the thing is that we should tap into the premium array right here. We didn't do any single thing. But we did tap to into 50% order in the 15-minute order block, and then showed an SMT divergence, market trade shift, another high broken. We enter from this fair value gap. The range is enough. 1-to-1 is really good for silver bullet, and that's how I know I should enter long right here. Even if I lose, I'm way more confident because this is actually my how a trade is, like yesterday. So totally chill. We'll see. Consolidating around the entry. We also have the drone liquidity is right here, so that's what I'm looking for a price to draw to. Now we shouldn't really go below this low if you're bullish because this got filled by this imbalance, but we'll see. We could trail stop loss below here. but it still didn't fill it yet fully. So Palma, I'm sorry, but I don't understand what you're saying. I'm really sorry. I don't understand this writing. Oh, hello, Paul. How are you? Welcome. So, have this. Because what this really is a smart money reversal. And once we break those eagle highs, we're gonna see big candles to the upside, probably. But we have to break this eagle highs first. Those highs. But still, 930 opening price is a nice draw, but since we had bullish conditions, we'll see. There's an optimal trade entry right here. So, and yeah, there's an optimal trade entry right here, so we have to see this as well. We have to incorporate that as well. So we gotta be careful about this. Just gotta be careful and it's good. Yeah. So, just trading. I mean, we have the optimal trade entry is there as well. So this could be a problem, but we'll see how we react to it. I want to see price go through it to really show that we can go through it. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I accidentally closed the trading view, I'm sorry. I will get it back right now. One sec. So close this, and then I'm sorry guys. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm sorry guys, but I closed it accidentally. No, wait, yo, I'm really sorry, that's my browser. Wait, just looking at the, it's good now. Yeah, so we have big candles up. We should show a nice rejection, and if we sorry guys, my bad. Yeah, maybe so we see this low being significant. When this high is broken, I'll trade my stop to this low, because this is basically an intermediate term high, and it formed this low, which also fairly balanced, which is also intermediate term low, and we'll trade our stop loss here, reducing risk to, or no, not yet. We have to first see. So now big candles incoming, right? Because first we have to close above it. This is basically a retail support, right? I mean retail resistance. We'll see. I think this is going to be a nice trade. Guys, I'll be right back. I have to do something. Give me some time, please. I'll be right back. So I'm back, guys. As I told you, this was the real silver bullet, and we just gotta see how you react. We should see this high being taken. As I said, I basically screw up going short here. Why? Basically, we didn't tap into any array, and it was just invalid silver bullet. But right here, this is a really nice one, taking a short from this fair value gap. I got in a little bit early, but it's fine. It's totally fine, because this pattern repeats, right? If I just was more careful, like I would be if I were trading on my funded account, I am, but low risk. If I would be more careful, I would see this and we would get a really nice trade here. So that's a win, probably, because the drawn liquidity is here. You see no array, nowhere near. So this is 15-minute array, 5-minute, then we see consolidation as well. We see a smart money reversal with SMT, and now we got this displacement with a fair value gap, which is really nice. We could take also this in the discount, but no intention of this. So yeah, yesterday we also took a similar trade, basically the same trade. I feel like the silver bullet is just so good, right? I just need to practice it a little bit more and I can like master it, because we also took this trade yesterday, the silver bullet. I believe it was like here, stop loss, also 1-to-1, No, it was more than 1-to-1. Yeah. And then today I also hit the stop. I also executed. Wait, where is it? Yeah, I'm sorry for that, but so we see. Wait, where's my executions? Should be right here. No, it's on SMP. I'm sorry. Yeah. So I basically entered right here, but I misclicked. I misclicked when I was trying to manage the position and sold it here, and I said whatever. So Silver Bullet is really powerful in terms of trading, like a little bit more, and I can really master it. So we're getting close to TP. I'm gonna close the position soon if we displace. So I'm gonna trade my stop to break even, just in case, because this is basically a winning position, and if price reverses, it should not go below this low. And I'm gonna change the stop loss on the MetaTrader as well. Yeah, I think we can slowly grind this account back to profit if I use the Silver Bullet correctly, because today I didn't do a good job. Like, it would be a nice trade, but you know, happens. So it is a nice trade anyways. Did we get our indicator confirmation? I mean, yeah, we got a sell here and a sell here, but no buy. So yeah, indicator probably is messed up today because of news, probably messed up his price action. I don't know. It just acts weird sometime. Yeah, we're just consolidating, accumulating, so now we're gonna close the position, and this is the Silver Bullet for today. The real Silver Bullet, not this one. This one is not the Silver Bullet. I mean, we're showing the rejection, but I'm confident. I'm just gonna wait. Stop is at break even anyway, so whatever. I just don't like this candle. So this could be a breakaway gap, so we shouldn't go back into it. But we'll see. I don't know. We're rejecting really hard. We'll see. We got stop at break even, so if it does stop us out, it's no problem. But this would be unfortunate. Okay, but my stop in MetaTrader, and let's see. I'm gonna place it like this, so we're in profit, whatever happens. Just waiting now. We can get unlucky and this goes against us, but there's a really low chance. Yeah, I know the end trades. That's why I'm not exiting trades. Just letting it play out. My stop loss is at 50% of this order block, or just below this down close candle, so we shouldn't go back below it. Yeah, let the algorithm work. That's true. Patience is key. Oh, I just remembered. We can go. I can make our Discord server public for search in 2 days. What risk are you using? I'm using 0.3% risk right now, but I'm basically risk free, so it's good. I appreciate you guys being here, honestly. Next week we go in with full power. We're gonna demolish. And we got break even. Not ideal, but you know, if market's gonna reverse, we booked some little profit, even though this trade wasn't ideal. Yeah, it went over almost into this rejection block. I still have to work on the silver bullet, but I think like I can really make a lot from this. Out of this. We saw SMT divergence, I believe. Here. got displacement now. We broke short-term low. Where are we? Cool. Just chilling. I think I'm not gonna take any more trades today. I lost here, which I shouldn't. This is unlucky. This happens, but we booked some profit, a little bit. But you know, it is what it is. The silver bullet trade is really getting. I'm really getting into silver bullets. Yeah, I think I might end the stream. I'm not gonna make any more trades. And today, guys, I can't really stream afternoon because I have to do something important, and it's not really on the menu. So I'm gonna be busy. But see you tomorrow. I'm gonna stream tomorrow in the AM session and the PM most probably. And I'm gonna study silver bullet more because it's new and it's really interesting, and I wanna learn. I wanna like master it. You know, like to master it. So. We're gonna see you guys later, and good luck. See you tomorrow, and save